Now, politics erupts over RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's statement over the CAA today. AIMIM chief responded to Bhagwat saying that citizens won't be misguided. He further added that they will continue to protest against the Contention Act. OAC also targeted the Congress and the RJD for remaining silent on the issue. This comes after RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, while addressing the nation on the occasion of Vijayadashmi, called those opposing CAA as opportunists and accused them of unleashing organized violence in the name of protests. Sharpening his attack, the RSS chief has said that several attempts have been made by the opposition to mislead India's Muslims. Meanwhile, reacting to the RSS chief, Mohan Bhagwat's assertion that India needed to be militarily there, better prepared against China, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said that RSS Supremo knew the truth that the communist country had grabbed Indian land but was scared to face it.
कानून का विरोध भी करने वाले लोग थे, राजनीति में तो चलता ही है। उन्होंने ऐसा वातावरण बनाया कि इस देश की मुसलमानों की संख्या न बढ़े, इसलिए नियम लाया गया है। तो उसके चलते और उसका अच्छा विरोध शुरू हो गया, प्रदर्शन आदि होने लगे, देश के वातावरण में तनाव आ गया। उसका क्या उपाय करना है, इसका सोच विचार पूरा हो, कुछ कृति हो, इसके पहले वो सारा और दब गया कोरोना आने के कारण। कि इस बार भारत ने उसकी जो प्रतिक्रिया दी, उसके कारण वो सहम गया, धक्का मिला उसको एक, क्योंकि भारत तन के खड़ा हो गया। भारत की सेना ने अपनी वीरता का परिचय दिया, भारत के नागरिकों ने अपने देशभक्ति का परिचय दिया। सामरिक और आर्थिक दोनों दृष्टि से वो ठिठक जाए, इतना धक्का तो उसको मिला है।
Cutting across to Kamaljeet Sandhu reporting from Delhi. Kamaljeet, here is politics brewing over the CAA. Once again, you have Mohan Bhagwat who says those opposing the CAA are opportunists. Hitting out is Asauddin Owaisi, who has been fighting against the bill all along. He says, in fact, slams the opposition Congress and RJD as well for not speaking about the contentious CAA. He says that he will not let the people be misguided. That's the issue that's been raised now again on the CAA.
Nabila, in the beginning of the year, we saw the sort of protest that took place on CAA, and obviously after that there was COVID and things actually calmed down since then. But once again, CAA seems to be back in the table. The centre is expected to notify the rules in a short while. Remember, they had sought a 3 months extension. The other part of it is that after JP Nadda, it is Mohan Bhagwat who spelled out that the CAA is not meant for Indian citizens because they're bound to get citizenship. It's for the outsiders and to actually get them out. But the other part is about how politics is really panning out because the opposition has been crying foul on the CAA. They're saying this is obviously to target the minorities. So there is going to be a fresh war of words, and this is all happening in the wake of Bihar elections. So one has to see in context of that. This is what JP Nadda had earlier said, and Mohan Bhagwat today reiterated. He specifically spoke about 2 points. One is on the China part, where he said that India has shown its might to China. The other is on the CAA part, saying the citizens should not be misguided, that there are people, the Tukde Tukde gang, which is out there to divide the country, and they should not be looking into it in any other aspect. So clearly, RSS at this point of time backing the BJP on the CAA, and it seems that the matter is back on the table, very much so, especially in the period where COVID seems to be one of the cause of concerns, and the reason why the protests were called off was because of COVID. But yes, Asauddin Owaisi and even Rashid Alvi of the Congress party has hit back at the BJP and the RSS, especially on this particular issue.
Right. Thank you very much, Kamaljeet, joining us with those details on that. CAA back in contention again. You have...
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.